Hi, fashion lovers. Welcome to my channel. So, today we are making an asymmetric neckline dress with a flayed down. So, here I'm trying to draft the down part, the flay of the gown. How to get the flay? You fold your fabric into two, then fold it again in a bias form, like triangle in a bias form. If the length is long, when you fold it in a bias form, you can be able to get the length, the full length that you're looking for. So trying to get the full length of the gown, of the skirt. The full length of the gown is 52 inches. So the half length is 17 inches. So I'm trying to cut the flip here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow. Like and share. Now I'm trying to cut the waist of the flay skirt. Okay, yeah, I want to cut the top, the front part of the top, the asymmetric top. Sorry, I didn't know my camera wasn't capturing the other part of the shoulder. So from the other side of the shoulder, you measure 3 inches from there, 3 inches from the shoulder, then come down the neck depth of 6. Sorry, I later came down by 7 when I noticed that the 6 was too short. So I made it 7 inches. One part of the shoulder will be 3 inches, while the other side of the shoulder will be the normal shoulder length. So from the normal shoulder length, you curve it. You can use your French curve or use freehand. I use freehand to do this. You now curve it to the other part of the shoulder that is short. That is the 3 inches side of the shoulder. That's how you get the asymmetric neckline. It's very easy to draft. Once you draft your normal basic body, you just measure from one part of the shoulder 3 inches, then measure down to the neck depth of that you want. This is me cutting it, the asymmetric neck. So you can see that this right hand of the shoulder is shorter than the other side. So that side is where I measure 3 inches. The other side is normal, while this side is 3 inches. This is the asymmetric neckline. Just place it on your fabric and you cut it. Then you're good to go. This is me trying to fit the clothes. See how beautiful it's looking. It came out nice. See the neckline. Very nice. Very fine. It's looking beautiful. What do you think about it? So this is the finished look of the dress. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.